How will these potential tariffs and the risk of resulting trade wars impact our portfolios? What about the sweeping changes in the federal government and policy? How's that going to impact the markets? When are egg prices going to come down? And of course, how will Taylor Swift's appearance at the Super Bowl impact the officiating of the game? Hi, I'm Jamie French with Advent Partners. These are some of the questions that many Americans are asking. And in our market update today, I unfortunately am probably not going to answer any of those. Um, Obviously, there's a lot of questions swirling around. There's a lot of change. But those aren't really the things that we are focused on as we are making investment decisions. So what I want to take our time today to do is just to highlight three things that we are paying attention to as we're constructing our investment portfolios. The first of those things is the continuing development of artificial intelligence technology. The technology sector has been leading the way and generating really good returns for the markets, but it remains to be seen how, as this technology develops, what sectors will be impacted and to what degree, positively or negatively. And so that's something that we're paying attention to as we consider the allocation of our portfolios, particularly the stock portion of our portfolios. The second area that we're looking at is corporate earnings. Valuations in the market remain high and have been for some time. And to this point, strong corporate earnings have laid the foundation for that, and we've seen some good markets. Economic growth continues to be strong, but corporate earnings recently have been a mixed bag. And so that's something that we're paying attention to see how that's going to impact the markets as well. And then the third area is inflation and interest rates and a challenging bond market. Really, since a significant decline in 2022, the bond market really hasn't recovered and is in our clients' portfolios and in many investors' portfolios, it seems to be a bit languishing. And so it's more important than ever for investors to consider how they're going to diversify within their bond portfolio. And that's an important thing that we're paying attention to. So artificial intelligence, corporate earnings, and the challenging bond market, those are our areas of focus. In many ways, much is changing, but in some ways, nothing has changed. The principles of sound investing remain the same, and that's going to be our focus as we continue to navigate these markets in our ever-changing world. And if you need help with that, please feel free to reach out to us so that we can have a conversation. Thanks for listening today, and have a great week.